In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email in HubSpot all within just 5 minutes. Changing your email might sound complicated, but don't worry. We're going to break it down into simple, easy to follow steps that will guide you through the process smoothly. Whether you're updating your account for security reasons or just switching to a new email provider, I've got you covered. So let's dive right in. First, we'll start by heading over to the HubSpot website. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to www.hubspot.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice a login button, usually located at the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on that, which will bring you to the login page. Now, you'll want to enter your current username and password to access your HubSpot account. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to do that now. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot dashboard. This is essentially your home base where you can manage all your HubSpot activities. Next, you'll need to navigate to the trial guide. You can do this by clicking either on the HubSpot logo or your account's main dashboard tab at the top. Look for the trial guide link or tab. You might find it towards the bottom of the navigation bar. Click on it to move forward. Once inside the trial guide, direct your attention to the settings option. You can usually find this in the top right section of the page, presented as a gear icon. Clicking on the settings icon will allow you access to more detailed account configurations. In your settings, you'd want to look for the security section. It's an important area where you manage key account protections. Click on security, and from there you'll be able to see an option regarding your email address. Go ahead and click on email address. You're getting closer to the end now. Once you're on the email address page, you'll see the current email address associated with your account. Look for the edit email address link or button. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter your new email address. Make sure you enter it correctly to avoid any issues later on. After you've entered the new email address, HubSpot may send you a verification email. Check your new email inbox for this verification, and simply follow any additional steps it provides to confirm the change. And just like that, your email address in HubSpot should be updated. Great job following along. You've successfully changed your email in HubSpot. Whether you're further exploring HubSpot's features or closing this chapter for today, take pride in navigating the platform like a pro. Thanks for watching, and remember to check back for more helpful tutorials. Have a fantastic day.